In this section, I'm going to show you the inventory use tool. Whenever you need to remove items from your inventory without payment from a client, you will use the inventory use tool. The most common use is when you've used up professional products like color, developer, or foils. You'll use this tool to remove those items from your inventory so you have accurate inventory records. To access this tool, you'll go to Tickets and Inventory Use. First, I'm going to remove 30 volume developer, and next I'll remove a tube of color. At this point, you'll choose the quantity and which service provider is checking out that item. Another scenario where you will use this tool is if you need to pull a product off the retail shelf and use it for backbar. This will remove it from your retail inventory. I'm going to remove a bottle of violet shampoo. After you've added everything to the inventory use list, you'll just click Add Item. If I go up to the navigation menu and click Tickets, you can now see my inventory use tickets in the closed ticket section. And you can always click on the ticket to show what has been checked out. You can always generate a report by going to Reports, clicking on Cost of Inventory Use, selecting a date range, and run the report. This report will show you all the information that you want to know as to which products have been checked out for inventory use and what it's costing the salon. You can export and print the report out by clicking one of these orange buttons at the top.